Yeah, I guess the scale is alright for the Bulldozer Christmas ornament. See, there's a true scale Mini Cooper, 1964 model. Yeah, that's a Cadillac. Yeah, Cadillac. I don't know what model. Smashed up police race car. It's very fanciful. I can't. It's Chinese. I don't know what model car that's supposed to be, but it's all smashed up anyway. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, super fun.